Hello everyone. So I went into Joann today because I was at a mall that had one and I needed some wire and heavier gauge wire for a project, a DIY project I'm doing. So I got this and they had it, yay! But I didn't get out without getting a few other things. But let me tell you, I got some great deals because I got this paper pack here. What is this one? This paper bag, 8.5 by 11.50 sheets, was $2.97. So there was like a lot of paper stuff on clearance. And this is 65 pounds, so it's not the heaviest, but I don't have a lot of grays, and so that's why I picked this up. And I sometimes run out of blacks too. I have plenty of white. I have a favorite one that I get in a larger pack, so that's not such a big deal. But actually, this is kind of an off-white anyway, this one, but yeah. So that's the paper pack. Amazing deal. Then I also cannot find my little wood alphabet stamp set. So this one's pretty small. It's not quite as small as my wood one. Hopefully I find it someday. But this little alphabet stamp set was $1.47. $1.47. Less than $2. So I picked this up. And then this adorable little set of stickers, they're called enamel dots. This was also $1.47. And I got a few things from this collection. It's Gingham Garden by American Crafts. So I'm going to make some cards out of these. So I got this ephemera pack, which the ephemera pack was also $1.47. Amazing. And that, if you can see, is all the things included in it. Lots of things that I can pop on a card and then they coordinate beautifully. And then, actually I don't think, or I did get the paper pad. Here is the Gingham Garden paper pad with 36 sheets, 6 by 8 size. So perfect for A2 size card making. Oh, let me get both of these stickers off here. And we'll just do a quick flip through there. And the 6 by 8 paper pad was $2.97, and I didn't even look inside too much. And look at this. Cut aparts. Perfect for card making and journal making. Ugh, I got that stuck on me. So it's got some light florals. Oh, I love this one. They are single-sided, but oh, I love the wood. Oh, this is cute right here for the start of a card. It's cute in a journal. This one's pretty too. Oh, and you know I love butterflies. Candy. I'm not crazy about paisley, but I'll use this one. This is like a gingham. Ooh, that's pretty. Love that. Floral. The stripes, the colorful stripes. I always love that. And some more cut aparts. Look at how soft and pretty those are. This is really... So if you have a Joann and they still have this stuff, I mean, the aisle was very picked over. I don't know what I missed out on because I haven't been there in forever. This is just cool. I would put that in a... It's a little thick for my junk journals, but I'd put it in there. I love this one. Anyway, I didn't finish my sentence. My sentence was go check it out if you have, you know, a budget. I don't have much of a budget right now for spending, but I thought I could fit this in. So... because $1.50 and $2.50, but yeah, I had to use a lot of restraint. There were a lot of things I did not come home with because I don't have disposable income right now. So anyway, let's look at these other things. So these paper packs, these ones that I got, were each $2.97, and there's 24 sheets on this one, and it's also 6 by 8. It says it includes gold foil. This is going to be tougher to open. Okay, got that. Had some help with a razor blade. This is a pretty interesting neutral. Look at that shine. Love the flowers. Ooh, love that. These will go so well in combination for card making. Oh, I love the birdies. I don't know. And I like that one too. So I like the birds. Whoops, I skipped one. Sorry. So I picked up, like, the pads that had a lot of favorites. A lot of shiny on that one, but, you know, it's got the butterflies. I love this one. This one's a good neutral, I would say. Good base layering one. That one also, and it's got a bright, beautiful yellow. Love music notes, always do. Oh, I really like that one too. Whoops, that one's cool. Oh, look at that one. Sorry if I missed one. And some cut-aparts for this one too, yay! So, and then, ooh, that one's really striking. I'm not a super fan of light pink, but I like that. And then this one here, I thought would be nice for journals, travel journal especially, and I could make some summary cards. I don't sell or use as many like travel themed greeting cards, but you know, I might do that with it too. This is super cute, but I do like to make travel journals, and I use them anytime I do get to go somewhere. I love that for a theme and a pattern paper, so I did pick up this one, and I just love maps. I've always loved atlases and maps. Look at this one, it's got some super shiny, but these are cool cut-aparts. These would be great to add to a travel journal. Look at that one. And that one is just so versatile. I could use this on cards or journal. Look at Australia! And so look at that one. Book page, love that too. A compass, I think that's what that was. Ooh, wow, that's super bright. That one's cool. More maps. And these you can cut apart and use as borders, or you could use it as paper. But I think I might like to use it as an accent in a journal, cutting it out like you would maybe washi or something. And this would be cute even if you just cut the heart. So, ooh, and this would be cute for using the individual icons as well. They are super shiny, and you can see it even more so with my lights, but I think there are some ways to dull that down, maybe with ink or with a matte gel medium or something, if it's not your thing, like if it's too much. I love this one just as it is. I don't know, I just like the look, obviously, since I like to make junk journals and stuff. I like the look of ephemera and things, especially vintage ephemera, you know. And this one's a beautiful light map color. And then there's that one. And then finally, I have a sticker sheet. What was this one? This is 100 stickers. And it was also, believe it or not, $1.47. So amazing, amazing deal here. And I've got some like sentiments here. You can hardly see because of the writing. Maybe I should open that. Hold on. I didn't buy more than one of these, which I kind of would have wanted to. It is a little bit shiny, but I love these butterflies. And I loved these kind of photorealistic flowers down here at the bottom. I thought I'm definitely going to use those. It looks like these frames are separate than the flowers underneath, which is pretty cool. Oh, happy day. I like that. That's a nice sentiment. And the birds. And so then you have, yes, you can do it. I don't know about that. True story. That I like to put in journals and stuff. Stay wild would be great in a journal or on a card with like the flowers. Whoops. So happy, that's generic, general, like it. So lots of cool things in here. So if you haven't already subscribed, do that, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss it when I do have some time and actually create with this, and I'll definitely put that on the channel so that you can see what I do with some of these things. But some fun supplies to work with. I miss being able to have Spellbinders card kits where I have everything that coordinates. They still have card kits, but it just isn't the value that it used to be, so it's not really right for me anymore, so I don't usually have those anymore. But hey, a sale at Joann's, and now I've got a little card kit to work with. Here's this, and where's the other one? Boom, I've got my card kit, and I have enough of my own supplies to add to it. So, and then also some of these, maybe I'll mix and match and make some cool things with it. So hopefully you'll want to join for that, and as always, I hope you have a wonderful and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye!